Fucking beating it up. God damn it. Glad it's this car, not another one. Oh, my antenna's ruined. Oh my god. Oh, fuck. Okay. Oh my god, it just ruined it. Oh, no. Happy fucking New Year. Oh god, no, no, my lord. Okay, so my antenna's actually broken off. No, it's not quite broken off. It's still there. Oh, shit. This was terrible. Never again. I'm glad it was a fucking coupon. Never again. Better be clean. Nothing else came off, I don't think. Stickers are good, but the antennas, oh my god. Oh my god. It's on this side of the window. Oh lord, if that didn't kill. Okay, okay. This is bad. This is real bad. It didn't kill it before. Oh my lord, okay. Yeah. Alright, I guess we need an antenna. Fuck. Oh. Joy of joys. Well, it's clean. One mirror. Okay. At least the rest of it's clean. Second mirror. Ah, and this thing. Okay. Yep, that just happened. Alright. I guess we're done with the antenna.